Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you've probably heard about Solana. It's one of the fastest and most efficient blockchains out there. Today, we're covering how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet with the latest updates for 2025. This guide is perfect for beginners who want a straightforward, secure way to get started. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Trust Wallet installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. Once it's set up, open the app and create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase. Remember, in 2025, Trust Wallet has rolled out enhanced security features like biometric logins and advanced encryption, so take advantage of those to keep your assets safe. Next, you need to add Solana to your wallet. Go to the Settings tab, select Add Custom Token, and search for Solana, SOL. Enter the network details. It's straightforward, but double-check for the latest 2025 updates, which include better integration with decentralized exchanges. Now, fund your wallet. You can do this by linking a bank account, using a debit card, or transferring crypto from another wallet. Trust Wallet now supports faster fiat on-ramps, making this step quicker than ever. Once your wallet is funded, head to the Buy section. Select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to purchase, review the transaction fees, keep an eye on the 2025 updates for lower fees, and confirm your buy. It's that simple. After the transaction, always transfer your Solana to a secure wallet for long-term storage. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. The crypto space can be volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.